Gregg Braden's insights on quantum physics and human potential. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast ocean, the waves crashing against the shore, each one carrying secrets of the deep. You feel a pull, an urge to dive into the mystery, to explore the depths where ancient wisdom lies hidden. That's how I felt when I first encountered Gregg Braden's work. He has a unique ability to connect the dots between quantum physics and human potential, revealing truths that can transform our lives. Gregg Braden, a former Jesuit priest turned New Age author, bridges the gap between science and spirituality. His insights challenge conventional beliefs about the universe, offering a fresh perspective on our place within it. Let me tell you this: quantum physics, a branch of science that studies the behavior of matter and energy at the smallest scales, reveals profound principles that can empower us to unlock our full potential. But more than that, it offers a path to understanding ourselves and the world around us. You might be wondering, how does quantum physics apply to human potential? Well, imagine if we could harness the power of quantum entanglement, the phenomenon where particles become interconnected in such a way that the state of one particle instantly affects the state of another, no matter how far apart they are. This principle suggests that everything in the universe is connected, and that the choices we make today can influence events in the future. In other words, our thoughts, emotions, and actions ripple outwards, shaping the reality we experience. In his book, The Divine Matrix, Gregg Braden introduces the concept of the divine matrix, which he defines as the web of energy that connects all living beings and influences their existence. He believes that this matrix is not just a theoretical construct, but a tangible force that permeates every aspect of life. Here's something you should know. Braden argues that by aligning ourselves with the universal flow of energy, we can tap into an infinite source of creativity and possibility. Consider this: when you choose to focus on the positive, you are essentially sending a signal to the universe. Your intention becomes a catalyst for change. This is a fundamental shift from viewing life as a series of external events that happen to us to seeing ourselves as active participants in shaping our reality. It's a powerful realization that can transform your outlook on life. Personal anecdote time. A few years ago, I was facing a challenging situation at work. My boss had given me a project that seemed impossible to complete within the deadline. Frustration began to build inside me, and I found myself questioning my abilities. Then, I remembered Gregg Braden's teachings on the power of intention. I decided to visualize myself succeeding, imagining the successful completion of the project. I wrote down affirmations and posted them around my workspace. To my surprise, not only did I complete the project ahead of schedule, but I also received praise for my performance. The lesson here is clear. By aligning our thoughts and intentions with our goals, we can manifest the reality we desire. Quantum physics also teaches us about the concept of superposition, where particles exist in multiple states simultaneously until observed. Braden likens this to our own consciousness and the way we perceive reality. He believes that by observing the world through a lens of unity and interconnectedness, we can see beyond the limitations of our individual perspectives. Here's a thought-provoking question. How often do you take the time to step back and observe the bigger picture? In his book, The Divine Matrix, Gregg Braden explores how ancient civilizations understood the interconnectedness of all things. He delves into the wisdom of the ancients, who believed that the cosmos was alive with a divine intelligence guiding all creation. He argues that modern science is slowly catching up with these ancient understandings, revealing a deeper truth about the nature of reality. For example, the Mayan calendar, which many believe to be a sophisticated mathematical system, actually reflects a profound understanding of cosmic cycles and interconnectedness. One of the most compelling aspects of Braden's work is his emphasis on the role of the heart in human potential. He posits that the heart is not just a pump, but a powerful transmitter of energy and information. He explains that when we activate our heart's energy, we can access a higher level of consciousness, one that is less focused on the ego and more attuned to the collective consciousness. This alignment can lead to a profound sense of peace and purpose. Personal story time. A friend of mine, let's call her Sarah, struggled with anxiety and low self-esteem. She felt stuck in a cycle of negative thinking and self-doubt. One day, she decided to practice what Braden calls heart-focused breathing. She closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and allowed herself to feel the warmth and love emanating from her heart. As she breathed in, she visualized positive energy flowing into her body. Breathing out, she imagined releasing any negative thoughts or emotions. What happened next was remarkable. Within moments, Sarah felt a surge of calm and a renewed sense of confidence. She realized that by tapping into the power of her heart, she could overcome her challenges and live a more fulfilling life. Braden's insights extend far beyond just the theoretical realm. He provides practical tools and exercises that anyone can use to enhance their spiritual journey. For instance, he advocates for practices such as meditation, gratitude, and visualization. These techniques allow us to create a bridge between the physical and the spiritual realms, fostering a deeper connection to our inner selves and the universe. In his book, The Divine Matrix, Braden shares a powerful exercise called the heart map. It involves drawing a map of your heart, symbolizing the places where you feel most connected and fulfilled. By identifying these areas, you can gain insight into your deepest desires and values. This exercise can be incredibly empowering, as it helps you to focus on what truly matters to you and align your actions accordingly. But what about the skeptics? How do we navigate the line between scientific rigor and spiritual mysticism? Here's a personal lesson. It's important to approach Braden's teachings with an open mind and a willingness to explore new ideas. Science and spirituality are not mutually exclusive. They are complementary paths that can enrich each other. By integrating scientific knowledge with spiritual wisdom, we can gain a more comprehensive understanding of our place in the universe. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of quantum physics and human potential, it's crucial to remember that the answers lie within us. Braden reminds us that our bodies, minds, and spirits are interconnected and constantly evolving. By embracing the unknown and allowing ourselves to grow, we can unlock our full potential and contribute to a better world. In conclusion, Gregg Braden's insights offer a profound and transformative perspective on quantum physics and human potential. They encourage us to view the universe as a vast, interconnected web of energy, where our thoughts and actions have the power to shape reality. By aligning ourselves with this universal flow, we can cultivate a sense of unity and purpose, leading to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. So the next time you find yourself faced with a challenge, don't just react to the situation. Instead, take a moment to reflect on the possibilities. Visualize the best-case scenario and allow your heart to guide you. Remember, the universe is always ready to respond to your intentions. Embrace the power of quantum physics and the wisdom of ancient traditions, and watch as your life transforms.